عنيزة الأهلية رؤية جديدة، إدارة واعدة، خبرات تربوية رائدة، خدمات تعليمية متميزة.
Hello my students, today we are doing a lesson about the past simple tense. Please my students, look at this example. We walk to school. Okay, we walk to school. Look at the verb walked here. This verb in the past form. Okay, my students, ask yourselves when we can use the past simple tense. Okay, we can use the past simple tense if we are talking about an action that happened in the past and finished. Okay, or an action that is started and finished at a specific time in the past. Look at this example. We walk to school every day. Okay, we walk to school every day. Here we use every day. Every day here express present. Okay, so we say walk. We use here verb walk in infinitive form because here we have a plural pronoun. But if we want to change this sentence in the past simple, okay, we can say we walked to school yesterday. Okay, we walked to school yesterday. What is the difference between the two verbs? The verb in the first action and also the verb in the second action. Here we say walk. This is the infinitive form or the basic form of the verb. But here we say walked. Walked here is the basic form of the verb plus ed. Okay, this verb is in the past. Look another example. Hakim walks to school every day. Also here, every day express present. So we say Hakim walks. Okay, Hakim walks. Here we add s to the verb because here we are talking about singular pronoun. Okay, Hakim here is a singular pronoun. If we want to change the sentence into the past, we can say Hakim walked. Okay, only add ed to the basic form of the verb. Okay, only add ed. Walked to school yesterday. Yesterday here express past simple tense. This means that verb plus ed equal the simple past. Okay, look here my students to these pronouns. This is subject pronouns. Okay, I, you, she, he, it, we, they. Okay, with these pronouns we use a verb plus ed. Okay, to make the past simple form. Okay, verb plus ed subject. Okay, followed by verb plus ed. We can say I walked, you walked, she walked, he walked. Okay, my students, look at the example. Every day I brush my teeth. Here we say every day. We say before that every day here express present simple. Every day I brush my teeth. Look at the verb here. Okay, brush. Brush here is infinitive form of the verb. But if we start with yesterday, this means that I have to change this verb into the past. Okay, brush here, if I want to change it into the past, only add what? Excellent, only add ed. I can say yesterday I brushed my teeth. Okay, I brushed my teeth. Here we add ed to the verb brush. I brushed my teeth. This example. Every day Jolly plays the piano. Okay, here also we say every day. Every day here express present. So we say plays. Okay, because this pronoun okay? This subject pronoun is singular pronoun, okay? Yesterday, she. If we say yesterday, we can say yesterday she. Change this verb into the past. Excellent. Yesterday she played the piano, okay? Every day Edgar cooks, okay? Here we use the verb cooks in present because here we say every day. But if we say yesterday, okay, here we have to change this verb into the past. We can say yesterday he cooked, okay? Look at this picture. Bob and Helen were here yesterday, okay? Take care, my students. Here we use verb were. This is the past form of the verb to be, okay? We take it before. Do you remember it? This is the past form of verb to be. Here we are talking about the past time words. What is the past time words, okay? Past time words like yesterday, last, and ago. Bob was here yesterday. We can say Bob was here yesterday. Or we can say Bob was here yesterday morning. Bob was here yesterday afternoon, yesterday evening, okay? Eve was here last. We can use with last night, last week, last month, last year, last spring, last summer, okay? Last Monday, last Friday. Homer was here, okay, 5 minutes ago, 2 hours ago, 6 days ago, a month ago, a year ago, 10 years ago, okay? What does this means? Okay, this means that with yesterday, okay, we use morning, afternoon, evening, okay? Again, with yesterday, we use morning, afternoon, evening. But with last, we use, okay, we can say last night, okay? And also we use long periods of time, okay? Long periods of time like last year, last month, okay? And also use seasons, okay? We can say last summer, last winter, okay? Seasons or days of the week. We can say last Friday, last Sunday, okay? With ago, okay, we use length of time before it, like 5 minutes, 2 hours, 6 days, okay, 5 months ago, 1 year ago. Look at this question. We went to the movies, okay, space afternoon, okay. We say before that with yesterday, with afternoon we use yesterday or last. Excellent, we use yesterday, okay? We went to the movies yesterday afternoon. I called you space week, okay? With week here, we use what? Yesterday week or last week? Excellent, last week. Janice left for South America, okay? Space morning. Yesterday or last? Excellent. Yesterday morning. The sky was beautiful. Yesterday night or last night? Excellent. Last night, okay? We see before that with night we use last. Okay, my students. Here we are talking about irregular verbs, okay? Regular verbs like eat, ate, okay? These regular verbs, there are no rules for irregular verbs. You must simply learn them, okay? Like this verb eat, ate, okay? Here, the verb come in present, come, but in the past, came, okay? Come, came. For example, I come home every afternoon. I came home this afternoon, okay? This sentence in the present simple, but this one in the past simple. Also verb go, went, okay? Go, went. For example, I go swimming every Tuesday, okay? I go swimming every Tuesday. Here we use the verb go in the present form, okay? Here I went swimming last Tuesday, okay? Take care, my students. What is the difference between the two examples? Here we use the verb go in present because here we say every Tuesday, but here we say last Tuesday, okay? So we use the verb went. We see before that every and last we are use them, okay? Every we use it in the present and also we use last in the past simple tense. Write, wrote, okay? Write in the present and wrote in the past. For example, we can say I write a letter to my grandmother every week. Here we say every week, okay? This example is in present. So we say I write, okay? I use here the infinitive form of the verb, okay? Write. But if I want to change this example into the past, we can say I wrote a letter to her last week. Here we use last, so we change the verb write to wrote in the past, okay? These are irregular verbs, okay? We can say that these irregular verbs, you have to memorize these verbs, okay? Because these verbs haven't rules, okay? There are no rules for irregular verbs, okay? So you must simply learn or memorize them. I have ice cream every Sunday. This is sentence in present form or in the past form. Excellent. In the present form. Here we say every Sunday. So we use the verb have in present, okay? This is verb to have in present. I have ice cream every Sunday, okay? If we say last Sunday, okay? This is the past form. So we can say I had, okay? I had ice cream last Sunday. We can say I have ice cream last Sunday. Okay, we can't say this before because here we say last. Okay, this is the past form. So we use the past form of the verb have, had. Okay, have, had. Also verb to have here is a regular verb. What did I do last Sunday? Okay, what did I do last Sunday? What you have ice cream or you had ice cream? Here, the question, what did I do last Sunday? Okay, we choose what? Excellent. We choose had. You had ice cream. She sits at her desk to study every night. She sat at her desk last night, okay? Here we use the verb sit in present and here we use the verb sat in the past, okay? Also verb sit is a regular verb. What did she do last night? Okay. What she sat, sit or she sat? Okay. Did she do last night? Excellent. Choose the past form. Sat. She sat at her desk. Okay. She sees her best friend every weekend. Okay. Here we use a verb in the present, but if we say last weekend, okay, we use a verb in the what? Excellent. In the past form. Saw. Okay. See, saw. See, saw. She saw her last weekend. What did she do last weekend? Okay. She what? She see or she saw. Excellent. She saw. Now, my students, we will talk about the negative form in the past simple tense. Okay. To make a negative form in the past simple tense, we can say, I did not walk to school yesterday. I did not walk to school yesterday. Here we use before the verb, okay? We use did not, okay? Take care, my students. Here we say yesterday, okay? And also we say the verb walk, not walked, okay? Here we use yesterday, okay? And we say walk, not walked, because here we use did not. Okay, look here. The negative form consists of subject plus did plus not plus the main verb. Okay, main verb. If we use did not, we use main verb means infinitive form or the basic form. Okay, so we can say walked. We say walk. Okay, look at this example. I did not drive to work yesterday. Here we use the subject here I, followed by did, okay, plus not. Then we use the verb drive. This is the main verb, okay, drive. Look another example. You did not drive to work yesterday. Also here we use you as a subject, okay, followed by did not. And here, take care, my students, we not say drove, okay, the past. We say drive in present form or infinitive form, okay. After didn't, we use infinitive form. Mike did not cook dinner yesterday. Okay, here we use the subject also and did not, okay, and we use the verb cook in the infinitive form. They did not drive to work yesterday. Also here with the subject they, we use did not, okay, and we use the verb drive in the infinitive form. With pronouns like I, you, she, he, it, we, they, to make negative form we use what? Did not, excellent, plus main verb, okay? We say before that main verb means infinitive form of the verb. Okay, we can say also I didn't watch a movie last night. Didn't here, okay, is a contracted form of did not, okay, is a contracted form of did not. Add didn't play, okay, sister yesterday. Here negative contraction, okay, did plus not equal didn't, okay. Look at the example. We don't eat breakfast every day. We don't eat breakfast every day. Here with every day, okay, we say before that every day express present, okay. We use don't, okay. Do you remember, my students? With present simple, in the negative form we use don't or doesn't. But in the past simple we use didn't, okay. We ate breakfast Monday, but we space breakfast Tuesday. Okay, again, we don't eat breakfast every day. We eat breakfast Monday, but we what? Excellent. We didn't eat breakfast Tuesday. Okay. Here we say didn't eat. Okay. We can't say didn't ate. Okay, because here after didn't we must to use infinitive form of the verb. Okay. Look at this example. I don't sleep well every night. I slept. Slept here is the past form of the verb sleep. Okay, this is a regular verb. Sleep, slept. Okay, I don't sleep well every night. I slept well last night. But I what? Well on Thursday night. But I, negative form, excellent, didn't sleep. Also here, my students, we can't say didn't slept, okay? Because we say before that after didn't, we must use the negative, the infinitive form of the verb, okay? Now, my students, we will know together how to make question in the past simple tense. Okay, this is yes no question. We called it yes no question because the answer beginning was yes or no. Yes no question beginning was auxiliary verb did, okay, plus subject plus verb. For example, did Laura walk to work? Okay, here also the my students we say walk, okay, because here we use did, okay, not say walked. Here question consists of did plus subject plus main verb. Did Laura walk to work? Okay, did Laura walk to work? Here we use auxiliary verb did plus subject Laura plus verb walk. Okay, walk here is a main verb. Take care, my students, again. If we say did, okay, we can say did Laura walked. This is wrong, okay? The right, we say did Laura walk, okay? Walk, not walked. The answer is yes, she did. Okay, yes, she did. Okay, here we beginning the answer with yes. Okay, because so we call this question yes no question. Okay, yes, she did. This means that what? This means that she walked to work. Okay. But if we say, did Laura walk to school? The answer, no, she didn't. Take care, my students. When we beginning the answer with no, okay, not forget add in apostrophe T or not to did, okay? No, she didn't. This means that she didn't walk to school, okay? Did you practice the violin? Okay. Yes, I did. Yes, I did here means that I practiced the violin. Okay. Take care, my students. Here in the question, we use infinitive form of the verb with did. Okay. But in the answer, we put the verb in the past form. Okay. Add ed to the verb. This verb ends with e. Okay. so only add D. Practiced. Here, did you practice the violin? No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Okay, take care, my students. Add not here. If your answer beginning was no, no, I didn't here means I didn't practice the violin. Okay, I didn't practice the violin. Did you see your dad today? Did you see your dad today? Okay, yes I did. Yes I did here means what? Means I saw my dad today. Okay, take care, my students. Here we say see, verb see, in the infinitive form, because here we say did. Okay, but in the answer we say saw in the past. Okay, I saw my dad today. Yes, I did. I saw my brother today. I saw my brother today. Here we have to make a question. Okay, we will make yes no question because the answer beginning was yes. Okay, so here in the past, so we will beginning the answer with we will beginning the question with auxiliary verb did. Okay, plus subject. Subject here is I. We will change it into excellent. You. Okay, we can say did you see? Beginning with did, and change the subject I to you, and also change the verb so in the past, change it into infinitive. Okay, because here we say did. Okay, with did, my student, we use infinitive form. Did you see your brother today? Okay. We went to party last night. Okay. We went to a party last night. Here we want to make WH question. Okay. WH question beginning with question word. Question word what? Okay. We will what here followed by auxiliary verb what? Here we say we went. Went here is the past form, so we will use the auxiliary verb did. Okay? What did? And it changes the subject. Okay? We to you in the question. Okay? We change it to you in the question. What did you do last night? Okay? What did you do last night? I hope you understand this lesson, my students. Okay. Thanks for watching and goodbye.